In design, we can adjust the space between two characters, called kerning, or a group of letters called tracking. In web design, if you want to adjust the space between the characters, you will need to use CSS and the letter spacing style rule. Depending on your font choice, some fonts might need tweaking to create balanced spacing between the characters. As in this example, we're applying a style to the H1 tag. All we do within the curly braces is add letter hyphen spacing colon followed by the unit. This will add extra spacing between the characters within the heading 1 element. You can also use negative values to control the spacing. As the example over here on the right hand side, you can see what extra positive spacing adds and a negative value adds. Typically, the fonts that you choose to use for your web page design has already been designed to have the correct spacing. If you find that a font does not, it might be better to choose another font. I like to use the letter spacing style rule to draw attention to text or to help differentiate it from other text. Headings on your page would be a good example where to apply it. In this example, I'm going to add extra spacing between the characters within the heading up here in our header section. Over in my style sheet, I'm going to be going in and adding the style to the hashtag header H1 style. All I'm going to do is add letter hyphen spacing colon 0.5 m. I'm going to save it. I'm going to refresh my page here. You can see that 0.5 m is just too much, but you can see how the space is added between the characters. I'm just going to modify the style 0.05. This is where you have to experiment. If you want to, you could try a negative value. Be careful, as you can see here, it goes in and puts the characters over top of each other. So it all comes down to experimenting and knowing the space that you have available.